e Japan ho onye minua onye me wo fase onse da nya madamfo na emum na me hwe trend no aba no se ye party no a ne mekanse say atwamnam no ehun aye trotro yi a eden no ekwan ben so ni nyina wo sam bibia apa leadership ni nyina leadership edi hwan na betumi abedi anim na ade atete wapempam na ade ho ayetre wode niam agu ni nyina yetimi akukura ade ne de ayede abaso tie yeto abawie minimum de name say 2024 ye beluso na wonim menim say me etifi amam for say me from top to ase ho me watch my labor from am no my adwuma tititi nyina dwuma be 40 years ago nyina e ko chief wo nton ba be didn't come you didn't come from top aba middle aba se ho wakwase ho pa say unim de ntia wudin come no a ubenya a sense elections will be do so no me decide say me fa trotro
wankasa be sifom
so utrem utensem
of course
nti from Hacho Junction Medina kwem ho me maso a ebia dome ana chimota me yan several times
na utie
yes it was afa me mpe uber ne wonko a mafa taxi na utim jeja hon me kosa no me motai me yes ordinary person say no mo so obi address ni bi na wonamu ti uti amanfo nkommode a na chese unim se ombewi en nam te say
na amanfo
boafu so mo dem carry December 7 the kokromoti be kire wo munyansa ese se ya dia hadwen di homre na ya mabrufo no especially the chief me bana ma me 200 or 500 say me kwa me dia besa uba 8 years monti me amaye adwuma eno anse dipachi echi saa mo amaye adwuma de ho anse bia mo de daka kese mu ne say on say anibide aba nkwala no ti sa nkwala yi a omso mu nya adwuma yi omo bi na de abufuo sa aba no kro omo nya den omo nto obeto nso a obeto ayede etiawo because me eto aba me beto askwa na me call nkran me could hear results but me say na enye me say me do obe win there but the aka go do akra me fa telephone bia free offense on that is I'm saying boys no to dam you me fa bepo so I'm to dam to be also from Kalandi me bi kasa I say na mother Roma na mun kwato abai I'm the chief ya wa kwato and to dam you no mte ho a ball 5 o'clock gain no ato dam na wi afi no kwato aba so ma sha ya to awie na se so tim se bufuo no e woni pam nti naturally ansane ebeye yin so primary se ba ya ni mu acrimony chese
abusia an important event because we MPP mu na ensem na APP mu ba na enya asem ketwa na ensem na ye de ja na me ba be ma blue by blue account nti me se obenya aboche na video no wahwa ma akosi like na share na afofron so enya bi nhwe na enemo be kaya MPP mpanifo frefre all the presidential candidates aspirants and omo ko share them omo krata se omo nsensan no omo ngintum se aba na yakoto na 31st January no obi a be bo asomdwe ho ban na afi so results a be ba no obi abeji atum in good faith na after elections no ye nyina ya kan ye ho aboma supporting ni obewini se na be ya 2028 elections no MPP ye beji to me friend this for nsem sa de we nkanya asem bone akay asem papa but ensem a APP mu ba no nya asem ketwa na me no ba be che eniema mienu a asi ebra na sa agreement signing no ekoso na second issue no kra de asefem tale anywhere so humiliating scandalous mejene ho amentiase ndi best so be train that part na ehunya pa na de dikan am pese me no che a prayer event in the no honorable Brian Champion try so on Japan MPP Judas ebe have some small chats be any nature good now the way a Judas man dim be no the way your man me face no na nya asem get say we ignore it totally and it appears to say omo ye small enemies she say there is some serious bad blood between them enya asem ketwa e bia na won ti ase bad me ba be breaking it down no what ase ni nti a ekoso Mobile ya campaign last year. Say MPP ni bi ko ka Brian Champon asem a Kenya Japan supporters any Brian Champon supporters be carbon attacking the back no. So bi ko ka Kenya Japan asem a both teams ebe carbon no ma attacking the back no. And basically agreement omo ko yen so omo no be carbon no ma attack Dr Bawumia omo gu nanimu aso omo kan asem a ebe ma na ye unpopular no lose vote say na ebe ya Kenya Japan ebe fam no wawi ni. Now you see Nyankopon na or tie Dr. Bawumia Nyame no oye Nyame kese. In the course of campaign or certain confusion among them. So it got to a point that Kenya Japan Crawford no more to man Brian na Brian so nen Crawford omo to man Kenya Japan. God set confusion among them. And no na didi mu e Kenya Japan ni buafu say obi aya agreement say this is what we're going to do. And ban say na say oh attack me. They say they won ya madam. Into your quack sign peace pact and bam best wrestling. So this is the reason why Brian tries to make in Japan be kasano. Oh man, dimby face, oh man, baby face. Now, Yamura and Seminole near Tosum, you know, which is very important. Now you see, Ebra, ye day a peace pact no at two all the presidential candidates and Nimono. Monsha MPP Judas can Japan. Nipu gidi on sign. Ne bua futre se won te ase ensem a ye de ahihye mu no enya de a wo besan na nya botrem me ba be ready ensem na e wo peace party ni mu no akiraw na wa hwe se bibi wo mu a se bi wo bi a wo do MPP party obeka se ne bonjo so a obe react te se ne kene Japan o react ya na ese se ye pampam esase ye krokro no esase ye ne kasa esase ye chese ye kotokoto na ne esre no te sese bi akola bi a spoiled child bi ansa na wa sign. This is shameful. This is somebody who also DMPP anim. And if you see the things that are in the peace pact, papa is saying a bone to so inti aji ya krokro na pampana, you will know say papa we want pe party ni ye yo on per party ni kanko and I said delegates for to a betian and I would say yeah peace party very important me baba reading peace party natural so that you will know how evil Kenya Japan is. Yes, I say from the preamble of the peace pact or say this memorandum of understanding is entered into this day of now natural dating day national honor 2026 date, by and among the undersigned presidential candidates aspirants of the New Patriotic Party for the January 31st, 2026 presidential primary. Whereas we, the undersigned presidential aspirants, are committed to the principles of democracy, unity, and peace within the MPP. Whereas we recognize the importance of conducting a peaceful, free, and fair presidential primary to select the party's presidential candidate for the 2028 elections. Whereas we are committed to maintaining the cohesion of the party and ensuring its success in the 2028 elections and securing a working majority in the next parliament of the Republic of Ghana. So when the preamble basically says, democracy na abana ye kwa akoto no ebe free ebe transparent ebe fair bibia beto na akwan mu se na ebe boa party na mana agitumi in 2028 elections no na afi so yetimi anya majority in parliament. This is preamble. Na me do ba be call times ni mu ankasa no ahwe se bibi wo mu ese Kenya Japan ni bufu a now almost say now therefore we the undersigned presidential candidate aspirants hereby agree to the following terms. 1. We acknowledge that the process has been conducted in accordance with the principles of transparency, fairness, participatory, or inclusive manner, with all the presidential candidate aspirants afforded full and equal opportunity to participate at every stage. We hereby formally acknowledge acknowledge and expressly affirm satisfaction that we actively participated at every level of the process. I say, omo contesting na ye mom equal opportunity ne chance. Emma be a course in the process leading to the elections no. Omu so omo kan ho asem omo show omo opinion. Emma omo opinion so no mpenefo ede eye adwuma e consider ye. Nti ade na e koso no omo gitum ese ye yi omumu. And on the first term we tosumienu, I say we commit to accepting the results of the 31st January 2026 presidential primary of the party, and we will respect the outcome irrespective of the results. We further reiterate and pledge to accept the outcome as a valid, authentic, and binding expression of the will of delegates and the collective decision of the party. Term 2 ni say yenina jitum. I said results now ebeba no 31st elections na ye kwa akoto no ye bedi atum sa results na ye bedi atum ni ya recognize say a party for delegate for omo will asem a omaka omo ni suade hu ne omo pe ana ayeho nti ye bedi atum. Now tell my toss me answer. Omo say we pledge to work together to maintain peace and cohesion within the party before, during, and after the primary. We will refrain from engaging in any actions or rhetoric that may disrupt the party unity. Term 3 say, Yenina Yajitum, as a party no peace and as we are costo and in Kabuma costo and Winya and Yababa Hobine. Now, things yen maybe an ayan can cassa entry be Casaba Saba Sabia, a day in Papa Moonin to Yene tension Baba party. Near Tosso 4. Term at Tosso 4. Also, we pledge to remain committed and loyal to the new patriotic party. Regardless of the outcome of the presidential election, we shall remain active, committed, and dedicated members of the MPP at all times. Work hard to recapture power in 2028. Or see and found one results in a bay. Ye be committee to party, no. Ye be loyal to the party. Near ye Juma party na to me in 2028. Near Tosubium, almost same support for the winner. We commit to diligently and cautiously work to support the winner of the party's presidential primaries, both during the 2028 elections and securing a whipping and or working majority in the next parliament. Now, these are the 5 things. There is another one, I almost say enforcement of mechanism. Any disruption or violation of this MOU will be, by. So these are the 5 things that a war peace party no ma ya de to kan Japan ni musa one sign. And ne papa ne buafu ete ho no ma mo kasa se won tiase. E se ye pampa no. E se ye krokro no. E se ye nene kasa ye kotokoto no. These are the things that peace party ni ma yesi won sanyo. Say abana ye kwakoto no. Ube boss hu pan. Ulusu a ube ji atum no ye adwuma ma party no won kan kasa entry won kan kasa boni bi. These are the things, simple things are. Kennedy Japan say ni buofu. And I always tell you MPP people, say Kennedy Japan on pe party ni yin, on pe party ni kanko. The objective ni three mo pon nyina na say or the confusion ni tension beba party ni mo begu party ni mo as wonim say elections no be ni ba obeye niam e dey ntoto ye beba say ni NDC fo a wona o makọ contract e say obe say party no sa contract no e betimi aye solid ono betimi afofele ne side na ni esese NDC for the man contract e the man na ye tua ye bi kai ne aka no mo atua man na afi so mo prosecute no for any issues with contract execution relative to or no in person and then a year no money man and then a side checks and any business partners are umunya contract in the MPP delegate mo sempa monto abantia kene Japan nipa obetimi de nkabuma bre MPP Dr Bawumia in the 31st January monto abanoma Dr Bawumia order number 3.
The Ghana Police Service should take the forefront. It should not be left to find say party nankasa and say camps to provide their own security. It would be better if the state security apparatus does a good job. But any some quite said or if I was Ablekuma not to say they.
But what is the election committee member Dr Kk said they've told the police almost for 2 mra.
I know they're memeing to, but I think
the intel they've had, no?
Well, I think that the police is the one that should lead the provision of security because a national exercise. Because political parties are a creature of law. It is a political party go through this process. It's a national exercise, and also adopting all sorts of measures. He himself called for mobilize across the country. Say if you move cause frustration in Kikahuni idea. But I think if the police is on the ground, they will be able to do a good job. Intimidation as someone or more can. I am a tiana, and then remove one bit to intimidate you.
Monam form, Timo strategizing, we pursue Kushanko for no more frustrating system.
So that idea of intimidation. You see, a young uncle for a lose bar, or all sorts of nema a Google so that they can use that as the excuse at the end of this. Waiting a man winning. I can tell you that there's no intimidation. Me, constituency. There are those who vote for Dr. There are those who vote for other candidates. You can't intimidate anybody. That's the essence of the democracy that we are practicing. It is Omar Eke Kasansem. And Mami extending Kobe, even more funny say because Omon per candidate. Omon can't say be. No more refuses answer no more can be you know. Now be further our opposition, young opposition, NDC be used against us. The 2024 election. I feel NDC for a campaign. Now young can call for be anu this seven on the advert. In the same way this election, call for can someone who feels say only one any but in some more can. Who say me better now? Me can't see a candidate be other. Media na me turn. But people continue baby no more attack Dr. Bawumia, no more attack party no, hoping it will advance their cause. Or more if it's a way as a party no, and a good party no hoping. Into your best stress our phone in as a sunny mine and what focus on the candidates need to be to me. Security, I think say the police service should be the one to take charge. Proxy medical you are no intimidation in here. To argue, nobody can intimidate MPP delegates to vote one way or the other. They will express their minds at the end.
So at this point, one key thing, make us a crossroad. Delegates Nankasa Tiasese at this juncture, dear, it's not the normal election of a flag bearer. It should be a different election altogether. Delegates Mokora Motiase. Matoma almost say, and yet the normal flag bearer election.
Me, you know my campaign team. As someone I catch on say, we are not just looking